What's going on, everybody? Bulldog Gaming here, back in the channel. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Had a very wonderful weekend. Spent a lot of time with the wife, with Widge and the kids. Enjoyed my weekend. Weather turned out to be a very, very wonderful weekend. Got a chance to do live stream yesterday, almost 4-hour live stream yesterday over on Twitch. I was pretty proud of myself. I made it in 4 hours. Playing SnowRunner. So yeah, if you get a chance, go over to the Twitch channel, Bulldog _gaming over on Twitch. I will link it in the bottom of this video in the description. I am also going to add a link. We have a new merchandise store. About 44 items are available for purchase to help support the channel. And it's through Teespring. Going to get away from Stream Elements and Streamlabs, their merchandise stores that they have, because over at Streamlabs, if you want to do anything above just doing a coffee cup and a t-shirt, you pretty much have to buy into their program, which I don't see we need to. Stream Elements, they are still working on theirs. So editing certain things is kind of hard, which they are working on, and I have been in contact with tech support on all that. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they don't do all this premium crap, and I can bring you merchandise through Stream Elements. Still cannot stream here on YouTube through the mobile because of their guidelines have changed. So that kind of bites. So any streaming that I do over on the Twitch channel. It's a little bit easier to do the streams over there anyways. So yeah, I actually recorded another video a little while ago and I deleted it because I'm not going to get sucked into something that I don't need to get sucked into. And that's all I'm going to say about that. So, how was your weekend? Hopefully it was good. Hope you had a lot of fun this weekend. Hope you were able to do something that you wanted to do. Hope everybody's health is in good order and you're not being troubled by any of this COVID-19 bullcrap. So, hopefully everybody is in good health. Big shout out to Risky Clay. Prayers for you, brother. I know you're going through a lot right now, a lot of trying times for you going on, but I cannot wait to see the end result as you fix up your truck and get it into full working order to where you can start making regular income using it, going back to work for yourself instead of somebody else. A lot of kudos there for you, brother. So, yeah, last week kind of sucked weather-wise for me. A couple of the videos that I was able to get out and produce for y'all. The weather was actually pretty nasty and stupid there for a while. Wednesday night into Thursday, I was just inundated with rain coming out of Norman. I had to do Captain Save a Load and take it up to over by Sedalia, Missouri. And weather went from overcast skies, kind of like what you see now, to sprinkles, to just an onslaught of downpour. downpour, downpour, downpour. I jokingly said I made it through the Kansas City River, and the reason why I said that is I was on I-49, like I said in Storytime, Friday night's video. It just scared the crap out of me. And don't get scared driving in rain, but when water pools as bad as it did, it's pretty dangerous. Hydroplaning, even loaded, can happen. So I'm going to start the 3-part lighting series. So give me a second to get a drink, and we'll get into that. So, in this first part, I'm just going to talk general basic knowledge, common knowledge of lighting. More so now than back in the old days, you have a lot of vehicles that have daytime running lamps or daytime running markers, so they're visible during the day. But mainly the lighting that I want to talk about is the lights that you use at night. And why commercial motor vehicles mainly have so many lights on them. So let's get into this. Okay, so basically the analogy of lighting system on a commercial motor vehicle, a semi-tractor trailer truck. You have your headlights, you have, and this is all forward facing, you have headlights, you have amber colored lights, marker lights, side indication lights, and you have top marker lights right above the windshield or on the cab, depending on what kind of truck you have. Then on the sides, you have amber, orange, yellow marker lights that are usually located on the fenders or near the fenders. Then you have another marker light that is on the wheel well for better marking of the side of the commercial motor vehicle. Then optionally, you can have more lighting on the side of your truck in the color of amber, orange, yellow. And then to the back, to the rear, you have work lamps, or some people that don't use the work lamps, they change them out to different colored, different shades of lighting for preference. And then you have a multitude of setup of rear-facing lights with red lights, your reverse lights, turn signals, brake lights, marker lights, that sort of stuff. The array goes from mud flap hangers that have lights on it, low stylish lighting that has the lights on it, and stuff like that. Then on your trailer, you have on the forward facing, which is the nose of the trailer, you have amber, orange, yellow marker lights. Usually 9 times out of 10, most commercial vehicles do not have any lower lighting on the nose. Then you go on the side of the trailer, about halfway down, you have a marker light, turn signal, running light on the lower. And then above that, on the top, you have a orange, amber, yellow marker light. And then farther back at the top, now this is where it gets kind of strange, kind of different, is some trailers have a red marker light that is behind an orange, amber, yellow marker light, or they just have a red marker light. Below that, at the bottom, at the base, along the side running rail, you have a red marker light, and then you have a orange, amber, yellow light that does not turn on. That is for your ABS, automatic braking system, or anti-lock braking system. And this is on both sides, left and right. And then on the rear, you have all red lighting. You have 3 marker lights. You have 5 marker lights. Regular standard. At the top, you have at the corner, top left, top right, and then you have 3 in the center. And that's just to show where the center of the trailer is. There is some trailers that have 3 marker lights that are at the base, below the doors, or if you're pulling a flatbed or a tanker, they are somewhere in line with your stop and turn brake lights, turn signals, and marker lights. And that's just pretty much the analogy and of what kind of lights are on commercial motor vehicles. Lighting options, they vary from custom, meaning you've added more lighting, or in the trucking world, chicken lights, to be more visible at night, be flashy, whatever you want to call it, to just the basic package like when I run, that is, my company runs on my truck. The variance, and I started talking about this here a while back, the variance of the lights is the difference between a filament bulb and a LED bulb. LED stands for light emitting diode. It's common sense, just common knowledge of lights. A filament bulb has 2 wires that come up from the base and then a wire that goes between them. It's called a filament bulb. Some can be brighter than others. It all depends on the wattage rating. And some are duller. They don't put out a whole lot of light. Gully transport started about 10 years ago with putting a blue light in the center on the left side of their trailers. I don't remember if they have them on the right side, center top. It was personal preference of the company, and it was also a safety marker light due to unforeseeable accident that happened with one of their tractor trailer semis. I'm not going to get into the full details of that happened, but it was a tragic accident. So, again, like I said, that's just the analogy, breakdown of lighting on a commercial motor vehicle, tractor trailer. Now, going to the non-commercial vehicles, your personal vehicles, pickups, cars, motorcycles, stuff like that. Positioning of lights is standard on all makes and models. Color is standard on all makes and models. You have amber, orange, yellow to the front. You have red and or orange, amber, yellow to the rear, and then the reverse lights. Some people add more lighting to their personally owned vehicle for better visibility. Or nowadays you start seeing underglow. Now, in most states, and I'm going to tell you this now, truthfully, in most states, underglow is illegal to be ran on your vehicle if it is any other color, or excuse me, it is illegal to run red or blue in any all states as the last time that I checked the law. Underglow can only be used while parked, not on the move. Again, I have not recently checked the laws. I will double check those laws. But in most states, that is the law, and it is a ticketable offense. Say that 10 times fast with no teeth. My upper teeth are. I don't have my upper teeth right now. I'm working on that though. Just a personal note there. That way, it sounds like if I'm slurring some of my words, or words aren't coming out the way that I want them to, and I enunciate them more than I normally would. I'm working on getting new uppers. So bear with me on my speech, on how I talk, because I'm going to enunciate or over-speak a word or certain words period, because of that. So, getting into other aspects of lighting, and that is your signage. Red for gasoline, green for diesel, and some people use yellow for E85, blue for DEF, diesel exhaust fluid. Stupidest thing on the market. Should never had California trying to make our emissions laws. That's my opinion. So, and that's at any one of your gas stations, truck stops. That's what those certain specific lights indicate, is the different grades, different types of lights, of fuels. I believe propane is white numbers. Don't quote me, I'm not 100% because I have not seen it up on marquee for a long time, and it used to just be a white signage price. So, again, I apologize for the possibly completely out of focus because it's focusing on bugs on the windshield. I did not get a chance to walk through my windshield before recording this. But as you all know, and I've stated this in other videos, I do my videos in the raw. There's no editing. It's whatever I see out in front of me or whatever pops in my head. I turn on the camera and start recording. So that pretty much lays down those kinds of lights, and then you have, hello, Mr. State Trooper, and then you have your street lamps. They're anywhere from a whitish blue light. Most cities, most counties, most states are going over to a non-filament. They're going over to the LED lighting because they better lighting, and they use less energy, costing us taxpayers less money. Then you have an orange light, safety light, that they use in a lot of places, and that is to cut the glare for people driving at night. Red and green, so those are just red, green, and yellow. A lot of places are going to an LED instead of the filament bulb for the stop and go lights, for traffic signals, traffic ordinance signals, for better visibility and longer lasting, cheaper on the energy bill, saving us taxpayers a lot of money. Crete is going to cause a headache trying to go around this little truck. Alright, here we go. Now we'll get out of his way. Don't have the stupid alarm going off. We'll get on down the road. Smart on his part to back off and just let that truck go. Very smart on his part. I'll slide in between him and the one that he let go. So back to lighting. Now, some things you'll notice on commercial motor vehicles is we signal each other when it's okay to merge back over, like what I did. We'll flash our lights. During the daytime, we'll flash our bright lights, or we'll turn our headlights off and turn them back on. And I'm finding out just by listening and to conversations that I've actually been doing it all wrong. When I go to thank somebody that has flashed me over, ooh, he said flashed. No, not, some chick showing off her woohoos, or a guy, showing his wow. I'm not talking flashing his headlights, turning them off and on, or flashing his bright lights. That's what I mean by flashing me over. I've actually been told that using my hazard lights as a thank you is actually against the law. I did not know this, especially here in Oklahoma and up in Missouri. It is against the law to do so. I do it. I've done it. I've done it for so many years. Didn't know that it was against the law to do so. If I would have known, I would have just started a new practice. Just, turning off and on my trailer lights, hitting a switch, and flashing my marker lights at whoever said, come on over, it's okay, you're safe, and I want to say thank you. I've seen cars flashes with their brights, turn off their headlights, and I'll say thank you the same way. It's kind of hard to interrupt your lights on a rear, so using your hazards is okay. I've yet to see anybody get a ticket doing it, but I'm just letting you know. I've heard through the grapevine, sitting at truck stops, listening to the CV, people talking about it. That's against the law to turn on your hazards, to say thank you for being flashed over, or being told that it's safe to come on back over into the travel lane, the passing lane, get out of the hammer lane, get over to the right-hand lane. That's another subject I want to get onto later on. Like I said in the beginning of the video, had a really wonderful weekend. I hope everybody else's weekend was good. I'm not going to say this, but it is Monday. I hate Mondays because they drag and drag and drag. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Welcome all new subscribers. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, hit that thumbs up if you like what you see. Give me a comment, say hi. I will say hi back, usually within 24 hours of somebody posting something on any of my videos in the comments section. We didn't really wish YouTube would have just left it alone. Now it's kind of a pain in the butt. But it does happen. YouTube has their own mindset. Schedule. I want to go over schedule. Okay, so the rest of this week, Wednesday and Friday's videos will be more about lighting. So Wednesday and Friday's videos will be hopefully at night, so I can show off the lighting, the different. And I actually have filament bulb and LED on my truck, and most of the trailers that I pull, so I can show you without having to go spend any money, or actually walking into the store. So I'm going to do a walk around. I'm going to show you the lights that are on my truck. Then I'm going to talk about the headlights and the different kinds of headlights that are out there on Wednesday's video. And I'll record it tomorrow night, but it will come out on Wednesday. So Wednesday video will be a walk around showing off the lights on my truck. And then talking about headlights, the use of the headlights, when and where, using your bright setting, your dim setting, and different aspects. And again, talking about the pros and cons of filament bulb and LED lighting. Friday's video will be a wrap-up, just basically a review. It'll have Thursday night. It'll be recorded Thursday night. As I do a little bit more in-depth showing of lighting, hopefully I can find a buddy of mine out here on the road that has chicken lights and chrome, and I can show you the comparable between custom and I work for a company. I'm a company man. Next week, next Monday's video, we are going to start talking about complacency. And the bad that can come from being complacent. And I'll get into the definition of that too on Monday's video. Next Wednesday's video will be I don't know yet. Next, because complacency will be all wrapped up in one video. There is no Tuesday game recordings. There is no Thursday game recordings because I spent more time with my family than remembering that I promised y'all that I was going to start doing some recordings and putting them up here on the channel. I will do that. Just bear with me. Kind of sucked. I only got to see my family, last weekend, not just this weekend, but the weekend prior to that. I only got to see them for a 24-hour period, basically, and then they went home, and I stayed in Oklahoma. So that's why I did a lot of catching up and hanging out when I got home Friday. So, real quick, touch on this again. Like I said, I have 44 items that are up on the fan club merchandise page. A lot of different variants, different stuff, and it's just a start. I just started, laid down some basics, and I will get into better getting into more stuff on the fan club store because I do plan on dedicating some time this weekend to getting that kind of stuff taken care of. Twitch streams. So, Twitch streams. Sundays. They are the day that I stream over on Twitch. I stream, right now I am in the middle of streaming SnowRunner. And I do plan on continuing that until we make it through all the Michigan maps. And then I'll probably back off and start switching it up between SnowRunner and something else. I do have a video game another game that I want to start recording specifically for YouTube for here on this channel. And the only reason why I want to record it instead of live streaming it is because it is such an involved game just by watching some other people play it. So for now, it will be until I get it built up to where I want the game and get a little bit better at the game and understanding of the game. Then it will become a live stream, and it'll be a live stream only over on Twitch until I get restreamed, set back up for Stream Elements, and then I will get that taken care of, and then we'll be streaming between Twitch and YouTube, both, hopefully, fingers crossed, hopefully in the next couple weeks, because I got I'm waiting for them, because it's all in new beta, new rebuild, ground up OBS, Stream Elements OBS, and completely revamped, and it's so cool. If you haven't had a chance to check out any of my streams over on Twitch, jump over on Twitch on Sunday and go check me out. Bulldog _gaming over on Twitch. Everything that you see here on on the YouTube channel is the same thing that is over there. The marquee and everything, I call it a marquee, the banner, the picture, it's all the same. Real quick, got to come up with the funds, and I'm working on that, trying to make sure that I save enough to get the trademark copyright paperwork taken care of, get it all submitted to trademark copyright. So our trademark, our brand, my brand, my name, Bulldog Gaming, and my brand, my logoing, and all that is all trademarked and copyrighted. That way nobody can sell it no more. Yes, you can go out, you can find the Bulldog that I use and use it in anything you want, but certain aspects that I have of my logo will no longer be able to be used as a combination because it would be an infringement. And I'm just throwing that part out. Just got to get the funding, get it taken care of, and then everything will be legal before YouTube does something stupid saying, "Oh, you have to have this," or you'll no longer. I'm just saying, it hasn't come. They haven't said anything. But in my gut, I feel that is going to happen. And I've actually brought this up to a couple other people that feel the same way. Some bigger YouTubers, content creators, thrown my gut feeling towards them to see what they think, to get their input, honest opinion. We'll figure it out. So, catch you guys on the flip. Safe travels, y'all. And we will talk to you. Wow, that was back to back. We will talk to you on Wednesday.